Hello everybody, my name is China. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I'm coming back to y'all with a brand new video today. Okay.
And I'ma give you, girl, what you feel. I'm a drug in your veins.
So today's video is going to be all about this U-part wig that I have in my hair from Yolova hair. As you can see, she looks good. It's looking good. So if you're interested in this video, just stay tuned. But first, I wanted to just give a little small business promo to my girl JENN. She's one of my biggest supporters. I love her. So when she said that she had a business, I was like, girl, send it through. We'll review it over here. So it's just these hair clips. Here is the packaging. Comes in this cute little drawstring bag, like that. Let's see. Here's her cute little thank you card. Oh no, lighting. It says Next Gen CROWNZ right here. That's the name of her business. And on the back, it says thank you, and it has her information on there. It says, I hope your purchase makes you feel like the royalty that you are. That's so cute. But yeah, it's these hair clips right here, which I can actually put in my hair right now. But she makes these hair clips. Like, how dope is this? Like, that is so cute. Here is this one. Is like black with gold flakes in it, and then this one is black with silver flakes. I love that one too. And then this one is clear with the silver flakes. And then the last one that I received is this, and it is clear with gold flakes. Like, these are so cute. How cute are these? Like, look, let me show you a little something. Let me show you how they're freaky. Right here. Look, don't play with my girl JENN, okay? These clips are super cute. If you're feeling these clips like I am, girl, and you want to be styling like how I am or whatever, hit up Next Gen CROWNZ. One last thing before we get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Smack the fuck at the screen where the like button is, the subscribe button is, the comment section is. Leave me a comment, baby. Like, I love talking to y'all. So just leave me a comment, interact with me, and we gonna make it zoo to zoo. Now let's get into it. So I know you see me looking crazy. Like, you probably like, China girl, what are you doing? But I'm about to show y'all my U-part wig installation. I got a wig from Yolova hair. Their packaging is always super cute. Like, you see the little tie-dye going on. Right now, this is how my hair is. I have my section parted out right here of hair that I'm going to be leaving out. I have some of my short little broken off edges out. And then the rest of my hair is back in these two braids, which I'm about to tie it with a scrunchie. So yeah, so now here's this. So this is the bag that it comes in. You don't want to focus. You're being a bitch, Cameron. Whatever. Oh, it's just a straight U-part wig. It's super long. I'm gonna say this is about probably 30 inches. How it came at first, it was like this to keep the U-part shape, and it had those two little strings connecting it. But I tried to do this video before, and it was humid outside, so I could not get my hair to blend. This actually isn't the wig I asked for. They sent me the wrong wig. I asked for a kinky straight unit so I can blend my hair better without me having to put that much heat on it. But this is what I got, which is fine. We're gonna try to make it do what the fuck it do. Okay, it has two combs in the front, a comb on each side, and then it also has a comb in the back and adjustable straps. So let me just put this on my head real quick just to get a feel for what's happening. So you want to put the combs on each side. And as you can see, I already had the adjustable straps tightened to how I like them. Then I'm gonna put the other combs in. If I can find it. Where you at, ho? Oh, here we go. Just put it in there. It actually feels pretty secure. Just put it right up in them braids. It's like this extra material right here on the U-part wig that leaves this flap. I wish I could cut it off, but I can probably bobby pin that down. So let's see. If it was parted down the middle. Okay, yeah, it will cover the track. Yeah, it will cover it. Okay, so I believe I did leave enough hair out. So for my leave out, I washed it, conditioned it, and blow dried it. There's no product in here right now, which I'm sure you can see because she is dried in a bitch, girl. So, okay, I got my comb. I'm gonna take this spray right here. It's called Hair Polishing Mist. It says eliminates frizzies, repairs and shines dry damaged hair. It's oil and alcohol free, and I'm just gonna spritz this all on my hair. I'm gonna take a little bit of this vitamin E oil and put it on here. Like for this, I don't mind if my hair is a little oily because I feel like it'll give it more shine and help it blend better with the wig. I'm gonna just start straightening it. Y'all, I'm actually loving this. Like, look at how flat she is compared to just your standard frontal. Like, that is crazy. I like this. It's a shame I can't wear it too often because I ain't gonna be putting all that heat on my hair that often. But it's cute. I'm gonna try to keep my hair straight for as long as possible and see. But girl, this is cute. And I have had this hair for a bit, even though I didn't wear it long because, like I said, my hair got puffy. But it is pretty good hair. I'm running my fingers through it, no tangles or anything at all. Let's see about shedding. I'm not getting any, no shedding. Only thing is, like I said, they did send me the wrong wig. I don't know if it's something that you have to look out for, if they only are doing it with me or what, but I did get sent the wrong wig, so I guess that would be something to kind of look out for a bit. You know, not that big of a deal, but I can imagine if you paid your money, that's a big deal, so that's why I'm mentioning it. But yeah, this is super cute. I'm loving this. I'm really loving it. Okay, y'all, so that is it for this video. If you enjoyed this wig from Yolova Hair and you just enjoyed the video period, please be sure to give me a big thumbs up. Smack the fuck out of your screen right that subscribe button is, and you might as well hit the notification bell because you already know I'm gonna be right back at it like a crack addict, and that's on who? Poonem. Adios.